This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 3660 Suite is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 9, air conditioning, TV antenna, oven, auxiliary battery, slide-out, smoke detector, stovetop burner, skylight, LP detector, external shower, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 3660 Suite is 10,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.